This is a demonstration video of the Westminster record player, very simple to operate. I'm just going to show you it playing. So you have the two controls for on, off, volume and tone, and the speed control which also starts and stops the turntable. If you want to play the old 78s, just flip the stylus over like so to the 78 position. So I'll just play some records so that you can see and hear it play.
Love, thank you very much, thank you very, very, very much, thank you very much for love, thank you very, very, very much, thank you very much for the Sunday joys, thank you very much, thank you.
I only know I must be brave, and I must face the man who hates me.